This is the secret to folding the perfect accordion because you can't always just fold right in the middle. Like if you want an uneven number of panels. I want 7 2.5-inch panels. You're going to multiply 2.5 by 4, yes, always 4, and then that is going to be your starting fold. I'm going to invert that fold rather than flip-flopping the paper around and pull that to the starting edge of the paper. Bone that down, and then I'm going to reopen my sheet, invert any valley folds into mountain folds, and repeat by pulling over to the starting edge and boning down. You're going to fold this all the way down depending on how long your paper is, and you might have a little tail end left over, and you can just fold that over like how you normally would. Make sure to bone down cleanly after each fold, and make sure everything is evenly stacked, and you should have equal panels.